So I worked for Hampshire Police for 10 years prior to moving to South Wales. I met my wife in Hampshire prior to joining the police. Since then we've had 2 young children. Transferee opportunity came up with South Wales and we felt like it was the right time to move. The application and transfer process is quite straightforward. It's takes you through what you need to do, but I would say that anyone that embarks on it just needs to be a bit prepared, make sure they hit the deadlines, because things like the medical does take a little bit of time to get your GP to sign things off, so just need to be prepared, but otherwise quite straightforward. Yeah, I love living in South Wales, so like I say, 2 small children, there's plenty to do here. We go down the beach, we've got Brecon Beacons, like not too far up the road. Yeah, it's just a lot going on, a really nice place to live. So I've been here about 7 months now, worked for South Wales Police in the Public Protection Unit in Cardiff Bay. It's a really nice station to work in, people are really friendly, and I'm just a stone's throw away from Cardiff Bay at lunchtime, so it's great.